I had a friend by name Vijay Kumar. He is the greatest fan of superstar Gajinikanth. For him, Gajinikanth is like a god. He is so crazy about him that his room is filled entirely with the photographs of the superstar. And no, he in fact he is so crazy. He listens to only his songs. In fact, is one of his lifetime ambition is to somehow see and talk to him sometime. So one day there was an advertisement in the paper that there is a contest for the next Gajinikanth movie. It's a promotional activity. So whoever wins the contest, they can stay with Gajinikanth in Shimla, where the next movie shooting is going to happen. But the condition is that they should have some first show movie ticket of Gajinikanth's past movies. This guy is so crazy and he had so many collections of first show tickets. He applied for it. To everyone's surprise, and even to his surprise, this guy's name was selected through the lot. His excitement had gone to sky levels. It's all for free of cost, and you can stay next to Gajinikanth room in the hotel. Shooting started with all new dresses, shoes, everything. And out of excitement, he went and stayed with the superstar Gajinikanth. In fact, he can dine with Gajinikanth and talk to him for 2 hours every day, all alone. He can be with him for all the 30 days of shooting. So first day, he went on top of the world in excitement. So he asked so many questions. Even the superstar, inquired about his personal details. Both had beautiful time. This 3-4 days went like this. And 6th, 7th day, this guy, slightly, he started feeling bored. As South Indian food was difficult to get there. So that is one reason. Another one is this guy is a homesick guy. So that way, slightly he started feeling bored. 7th, 8th or 9th day, usually he turns up breakfast for 8 o'clock in the morning, as the superstar is very time bound. So this guy, so 9th day, he turned up 15 minutes late. Usually, he keeps alarm and get ready and show up. So then, 11th day, what happened? This guy did not turn up. Superstar was in for a surprise. He sent his assistant to wake him up. It seems the reason is he forgot to keep alarm. And he was losing. He was feeling bored and slightly started losing interest. And 5th day, he met the superstar in the evening. Very, hesitant. He was very so hesitant, and he told the superstar he wants to go back to Chennai, as he feels like seeing his mother and friends. And 16th day, he just packed and left. Imagine, friends, he was allotted 30 days with 5-star and superstar stay. This is what life is about. Mind always want what it is deprived of. Mind always want what is unreachable. Things look good if it is at a distance, and if it is available within your reach, then you will not have that excitement. You can ask the wives or the children of celebrities. They will not be that exciting with the celebrity people. At the close quarters, lot of emotions, actions, easy availability make these celebrities look very uninteresting to them actually. As long as, everything, as long as they are far from you, they look good. Once they come nearer, they become a boring subject, sometimes even an irritating one. Husband of the most beautiful lady in this world may not like her. He may not like to romance with her. This is a reality. He may fall in love with the domestic help of his house. This is the reality. As long as you are not getting something that may look very, very big to you, once you get that, it will look very boring to you. Your mind searches for the next. Realize this. Try to retain and be contented with the existing ones. This is the reason lot of divorces are happening. Realize these facts. Think twice and act. We take lot of decisions, emotionally. Even your most exciting lover may look exciting to you now. Once you are married and available to each other 24/7, things will look very boring for you sometimes. Realize all these practicalities. Take a decision and stay with that. If you are able to realize this is going to be the reality, accept and enter into that relationship. You will never get bored. You will stay in the relationship forever.